name is Brian Batista. I teach game development at River Valley High School in Yuba City, California. And today I'm going to help you kind of navigate Global Game Jam Next analog game design curriculum. So why analog game design? It's very focused. You don't have to worry about having to teach game design and programming and how to save and import into file formats and what game engine you're using. You don't have to worry about any of that. When you're in analog, you can just focus on designing good games. Secondly, it's very affordable. You don't have to worry about having to get a bunch of licenses for stuff, or getting a venue that has electricity, or renting a bunch of computers. You don't have to worry about any of that. You need paper, scissors, ruler, pens, pencils, markers. Good to go. 3, it's super accessible. You don't have to worry about jammers coming to you with different levels of computer literacy. You don't have to worry about one group trying to make a game in Unity or Unreal, and another group is trying to figure out how to save a Word document and open up MS Paint. None of that matters. When you're working in analog, it's all sort of one big level playing field. It's super accessible for people starting to learn. And it's very relevant to game development. Learning to paper prototype is going to make you a better game maker, and I feel like it's a great starting point for anyone trying to learn to make games. What are you going to learn as part of Global Game Jam's curriculum? You're going to go over basic paper prototyping. We're going to help you get away from Candyland, because they're going to try to make Candyland, and we're going to teach you some tricks to kind of get you away from it. We're going to go over how to write rules, which is super important to have a really good, tight, concise rule set when you're making an analog game. And we're going to teach you how to make rules for AI players, how to use the game mechanics to help simulate a player in analog. All these things are going to help you make an awesome analog game jam for your students.